Hey, what's up guys, this is Roy and welcome to another video on this channel. And today I'm going to answer some of your questions that you asked regarding this mobile projector. So this video get around 855k views and 4300k like, insane amount of views. So I made a review about this projector a few months back, guys. So if you want to check the video, check it guys, then come back here and I'm going to answer every one of your questions regarding this projector. And you guys are keep asking me about the price, how many price sir, how much it is, dam koto, what is the price in Bangladesh. So I don't know what is the price in Bangladesh, but I bought it from gearbase.com around $180. So it's around 12,000 rupees in India, and Bangladesh maybe probably 15,000 rupees. Where you can buy it? I find AliExpress is cheapest. So far you get it from AliExpress, it's so cheap. So if you go to aliexpress.com and search for mobile projectors, you will find a lot of projectors. It's starting from 3,500 rupees to around 50,000 rupees. So it's start from $50 to $1,000. So here is another similar kind of projectors, is 180p and its price around $173 to $280. Now as you see guys, this is written here 4K. It's not 4K, it's not even 1080p, it's not even 720p. It's around 800 by 400. It's HD resolution of this beam. Like this beam is around 800 by 400, but it can play 4K videos. So that's why here it is written 4K to fool us. So after 1 year of use, I don't recommend you guys to buy this projector. It's a handy projector to have, and you can get around 25 inch to 30 inch screen using this projector, and more than 30 inch it's puts a strain on eyes because the lumen is only 100 lumen. Because it's run out of a little, I think 3000 mAh battery. That's the reason it cannot produce enough light to make a big display. Also I get a comment, can it charge using a power bank, or can it charge can we attach a battery with this projector? Now we can't attach the external battery, but you can charge it using a power bank. So it supports 5 volt, as you see guys here written is 5 volt. So in order to do that, you need a power bank and then put this socket inside it. You can buy this kind of cable from eBay. So now as you see guys, this green light is turned on and it's charging. And if you guys are looking for a decent projector for your home, I say like don't buy this kind of mobile pocket projectors. It will disappoint you guys. But if you guys want a projector on the go, maybe for tutorial, maybe for some presentation, maybe you want to watch some movie in the jungle, you can go for this kind of projectors. So this projector is good enough for up to 25 inch screen. More than that it will not good for a big display. For this you can buy a big projector which run on 220 volt or 110 volts. And if you guys are looking for some awesome projector, I will leave a link in the description below, and I will make another video about mobile projectors on my upcoming video. And if you guys have any question, any suggestion, any comment, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely answer every one of your questions. So guys, that's it for today. My name is Roy. I'm signing out. Meet with you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.